guys, welcome back to a new vlog. For those of you who are new, my name's Brooke and it's really late in the afternoon right now. Actually, it's nighttime. It's not even afternoon. I think it's like almost 7 and I'm just now starting the vlog. I'm in my brandy sweats and I was watching Gilmore Girls, but I'm making some chicken and gnocchi soup tonight and me and Bo are just gonna stay in tonight and watch Halloween Town. I love Halloween Town so much. It's one of my favorite movies ever. Like, you can't go wrong with that movie, I swear. I just wanted to vlog a little bit tonight because I thought it would be cute to vlog my soup in the movie, and I don't know, it just feels fun and festive. And it's cold out. It rained all day and now it's like in the 50s, so very drastic weather change from yesterday. So that's what I'm doing. So I need to get up off the couch, go start on dinner, and Bo should be home soon. So I'm getting up. I'm going to get started on the soup. Chicken and gnocchi soup is one of my all-time favorite soups to make, and I look forward to making it every year once it starts to get cold. So I'm quite excited about this. Good morning, guys. It is October the 1st. I cannot believe it's October already. I feel like September just happened and it went by so fast. Like, I blinked and it was October. Anywho, I literally just got up. I'm just so freaking tired. I'm trying to wake up. I'm drinking my coffee right now. But for today, I'm just gonna be vlogging. So it's October 1st, like I said. I'm gonna meet Emily this afternoon. I'm so pumped. We're gonna go out and they're playing Hocus Pocus tonight somewhere, so we might go and watch that. And yeah, I don't know what else we'll be doing. I'm sure we'll get into something. But I do want to vlog today. I do have the day off, so I'm just drinking my coffee right now. I'm gonna catch up on some stuff online and catch up on some YouTube videos. I need to clean my apartment. I want to do a workout before I start getting ready to go. But yeah, I just want to take you guys along today. The sun is out. It's nice and cool, but not like too cold. It's just like perfect today, so I'm really excited. So yeah, I'm gonna drink my coffee and try to wake up, so I'll see you guys in just a bit. So I just got out the shower. I've just been cleaning my apartment. I have it almost all done. I do need to finish up some laundry, but I just started a load of dishes that I need to put up when they're through. I've just been cleaning my apartment. I showered and it's about lunchtime now and I'm getting a little bit hungry, so I have some like leftover spaghetti from last night, so I think that's what I'm gonna eat. Yeah, so I just have some leftover spaghetti and some vegetables from last night, so I'm gonna heat this up and eat some lunch before I have to get ready to meet Emily. I made broccolini and I had some bell pepper left over that I wanted to use up, so I just roasted that last night and then made some spaghetti with the Rayo's pasta sauce, which is so good, by the way. If you haven't tried it, definitely try it out. It's one of my favorites. I've been doing 100 squats every single day the past like 5 days, and I'm trying to see how long I can keep that up and if I notice like a difference with it. So I need to do that. So I'm just trying to see how long I can keep that up, and if I notice a difference. I'm also trying to do like 50 sit-ups each day as well,
I don't know. We'll see how this goes and if I actually stick through with it. But I've been loving these glass containers that I got from Home Goods the other day. I love that you can heat them up and just like reuse them all the time, and they're not plastic, and so they don't stain. So every time I put spaghetti, it's not gonna stain it like the plastic ones do, which I don't know, it just grosses me out a little bit. So I just curled my hair. It looks so cute and wavy. I'm just about to put on some of the Summer Fridays lip balm. I don't know what's wrong with the cap on this, but it just will not screw on for some reason. Like, I'll show you. I don't know if anyone else has had this problem. I don't know if I'm doing something wrong, but I like put the cap on and it won't like screw on, like it'll go crooked, and I will try over and over. I don't know, it might just be me. Maybe I just don't know how to put a cap on, but I don't know. Does anyone else have this problem if they have this? Oh, it literally just went on. It went on, it was me. I've been the problem. It's been doing this for a month and I've been the problem the whole time. Also, I don't even know what I'm going to wear tonight. I really need to pick out something. Oh, I'm almost done with my makeup. I still have no idea what I want to wear tonight. It's a little cold, but I know it's gonna get like super cold tonight. So I just don't know. I need to pick out an outfit after I'm done with this. But I am in the mood for carving pumpkins. I want to watch Halloween movies. It is October 1st, so I'm really in the Halloween spirit. I've been listening to Halloween music. I'm ready to go and binge watch some Ghost Adventures. Call me extra. I am so extra when it comes to holidays. Like, I will go all out. But it's fun. It's so much fun. I'm so excited to see Emily and hang out tonight. We're gonna have so much fun. I'm so excited. So I ended up doing winged liner tonight. I haven't done wing liner in a bit. That was a last minute decision. I didn't think I was gonna do it, but you know what? We're going out. Had to throw on the winged liner. It looks so good. I always use the Kat Von D tattoo liner. It stays on all night. It doesn't move and it just goes on so nicely. I'm obsessed with the application of it. It's my favorite and I will not use another liner because I love this one so much. So I'm gonna go pick out an outfit and go and do my squats for today. So this is the outfit I ended up deciding on. I just have on these jeans from PacSun. This shirt might be from Forever 21, I think. I have on my Doc Martens, just a little shoulder bag. We're gonna go grab a bite and maybe some drinks or something. I am bringing like extra clothes to change in case we go to the movie because I'd rather be in sweats watching a movie. So that's what we're gonna go do. So I'm gonna head out right now and drive to Emily's. I'm with Emily. We're at Bar Taco. We're always here. We're literally always here, I swear.
You can't beat it though.
Like, we got margs and we're gonna go watch Hocus Pocus tonight, and I'm so excited because it's October 1st. They have apparently really good food there, so we might get something there. Sorry the lighting is so bad. This is absolutely terrible. I can't even tell if I'm in focus, but I'm very excited to be with Emily right now. I love Emily. Oh, she's the best. Stop. I love you too. Emily got her bowl. She always gets that, I swear.
It's so
looks good. You can't see me. Hi guys, so it's been a second since I picked up my vlog camera. I know last you guys saw it was me and Emily. We were gonna go see Hocus Pocus that night, and then we called. They were all full, so we couldn't go. Also, we were like just super tired and kind of cranky because of how tired we were. So we ended up just going back home, and now it's Saturday and it's October 3rd. So I've got on my pink jacket and we're gonna go see Mean Girls tonight at a drive-in movie. I'm so excited. I love drive-in movies so much. I haven't been to one in so long. I've just got on my Lululemon leggings and then this shirt from Brandy Melville. And then my pink jacket from All Darling. I'll probably just throw some sneakers on or something just because we'll be like sitting in the back of the car. I'm so excited. And right now ABC, well, I guess Freeform, that's what it's called now. Freeform's doing their 31 Nights of Halloween, so I have that on in the other room. So I'm just watching that before I have to head out. So yeah, I just wanted to keep you guys updated, let you guys know what we're doing, and I'll see you guys tonight. It's so dark. We're watching Mean Girls. We're at a drive-in. It's gonna be so cute, and we're wearing pink because it's October 3rd.
On Wednesday. Wait, it's not Wednesday, it's Saturday.
It's Saturday. Okay guys, I'm here with Erin. She's never been on my vlogs before, but I love her so much. She is a dope singer, so go check out her music. I love you. Love you. I'm with Emily, as you guys already saw. Mean Girls is so good. Guys, we got churros. Guys, it's a freaking pimento grilled cheese. Like, how freaking bomb. I don't know what you got. What did you get? A catfish sandwich. Cute. So cute. We just had lunch and it was so good. That was one of the best grilled cheese sandwiches I've ever had in my entire life. How was yours?
It's phenomenal.
Phenomenal.
Catfish Sandy.
So now we're going to Whole Foods to get some groceries. Alright, so I am back home from Whole Foods. We ended up going to Trader Joe's as well. I got this cute little cinnamon broom. This one's just a small one, but I also got a big one. So I'm gonna put this outside by my front door. And then I got these beautiful hydrangeas that I'm just about to put in the vase. I got some chocolate chips because I'm making pumpkin and chocolate cookies tonight. Or maybe tomorrow, I don't know. But I got some of that. Also, your guitar that is still playing guitar in the back. I'm just about to put all the groceries up real quick, get started on some dinner. And yeah, I'm so excited. I got a ton of fall things, which I'm super pumped about. I still can't find a fall candle. Like, what is going on with fall candles right now? I feel like there's like a pumpkin candle shortage around Tennessee. So we just got a couple groceries, just some stuff for the week. I've also really been loving this new cleaner. I've just been using it to clean my kitchen counters. It's so nice. I love the smell of it and it really gets the job done. It's also a natural one, which I love. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and clean my kitchen up with this. So I just got done cleaning and me and Bo were watching The Addams Family and we're drinking apple cider. Cheers! It's so good. Yeah. And then I'm gonna go cook dinner in a minute. And then we only have 2 episodes left of I, Zombie and I'm very sad about it. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
It's a rough one.
I'm actually upset about this. Like, I'm not looking forward to it ending. But yeah, we're gonna go finish watching The Addams Family. So I just made dinner. I really didn't feel like cooking tonight, so I just did the fried rice and orange chicken from Trader Joe's. This stuff is so good. If you haven't tried it, you should definitely try it out. It's super quick and easy, and it tastes amazing. So now I'm in bed, but the ending of the show was horrible. I was not thrilled with it. The entire show was amazing until the ending. Anywho, I'm gonna go ahead and go to bed, so I will see you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to stay stellar. Alright, bye guys.
I was up late night ballin', counting up hundreds by the thousand.